Welcome back to Trades 2G. My name is Sammy. I am excited to tell you that we have some great news today, especially on Apld and most of all Pltr. Now, is Aspi the energy stock that Pltr bought? Stay tuned for that. Before I go ahead, please join the Discord, like the channel. It's all free. I'm not asking much. Let's go ahead and start charting. Now, let's jump right into Apld first and foremost. Today we had a God candle today, and obviously I said yesterday, be patient, hold on, catalyst is coming, eventually we're gonna get there, and today was that day. Funny enough how I posted that yesterday in my YouTube video, and then today we had a God candle, and as you can see here, we hit the 236 on the 12 hour. Now if you look at the daily, it'll be a much stronger bar on the green. Hopefully it loads today. Give me 1 second. There we go. We did smack the 236. We wicked it, and on the daily, it looks good. This is a great start, at least a start of a potential new trend to the upside. As you can see here in the right quadrant on the MACD line, we started printing a light histogram bar, which is weaker than the solid histogram bar. So we peaked at this all-time bottom, or at least I should say around 943, and we started consolidating at a range, which is good. And I told you that battle zone that I was watching, we never really broke it, but today was a catalyst. Today was the news that we needed, and today we hit all-time high 1068. Not all-time high, excuse me, local 1068. So that's a good news. That's a start. I expect the pullback today, a little bit of pullback after this huge volume movement. And then tomorrow we shall see if this golden cross is also going to catapult us another couple points up. So we have the golden cross pending tomorrow. Looks like it's going to hit tomorrow, so that's good. I love the RSI on the bottom. We bounced it once. We touched it. We smacked it up. We came back down, and we smacked it up. Obviously, that news really catapulted us. We made a 7.3% trade today. I absolutely love it. As I mentioned before, this is a long-term hold stock. This is a data center stock. As you notice that today, CoreWeave bought or is in the talks of buying CORZ, which is another HPC company in the same realm of Apld, except they do Bitcoin mining, etc. of that nature. Now I think I have the CORZ. There it is, CORZ. Look at this God candle on CORZ. The news today, if you can see it on the right hand side, I have it. It says Core Scientific soars as CoreWeave tries to buy the company. This is all related to data centers, and as data centers is the future. Data centers is the play. You need infrastructure. You need the storage. You need the capacity. You need the efficiency. This is what Apld is doing. We're going to give efficiency to the AI movement. Now, just be patient. This is a long-term hold. Tomorrow, I expect the pull. If the pending golden cross does not move us a couple points, at least with every news, every volatility, play on the volatility. You buy and you sell. If you're holding, you're holding. For swing traders and day traders, trade on volatility. I sold my position. I scalped a couple. I scalped the trade today. I sold it because news is sell. You sell on the news. I want congruent reasoning to go up, not on news. I want it on factual company basis. Good earnings. Candle structure looks good. Pattern looks good. That's what I look for. So I sold in the news. I expect a pullback. If not tomorrow, definitely Monday. So, last but not least, ASPI. Today we hit close. I think it was 18% today. Was it 17% today? ASPI was soaring. And funny enough, I saw this earlier in the morning. It was up 3%. I said, wouldn't it be funny if the news on CoreWeave, Pltr was talking into buying this energy stock? They're in the nuclear field. Actually, they're in the new. They're doing some new research regarding uranium. They're separating isotopes much easier. There's a whole science to it. I briefly did some reading on that, but at the end of the day, is this a speculative stock that Pltr bought into? It ripped 17% today. Let me double check that. 17% today. We did the 382. We touched 382. Looks like we had a little bit of a rip over that. As you can see, the RSI overextending into the bull zone, and then we're coming back down to come back and test that. I like that. Tomorrow, are we going to continue? Are we going to have another rip continuation? Who knows? Right now, we're touching the VWAP on the 30. We're touching the 10 SMA on the 30. So again, it's a speculative play. No one knows who PLTR bought into, what company PLTR, what energy, uranium stock or energy stock PLTR bought into. But this was ripping. ASPI was ripping for no reason. That's interesting. That's very, very interesting. IRC is sold off on that news. We're touching the bear zone. Yep, the bear zone. I see some divergences playing out. So I expect tomorrow, at least, or after hours, having a little bit of rip. I see divergences actually on the 1 minute, but divergences on the 1 minute are not as reliable because they are just you get them all the time. So I see that here. Literally as I'm talking, I see that here. So anyway, that's good to know. This will be a quick video, so I just wanted to post this immediately once I heard the news and I saw APLD going up. This is great start, or at least a great start to end the week, or a great way to end the day. This is explosive. Today was explosive news, back to back, ASPI and APLD. I love what I see on APLD. I told you yesterday to be patient, and thus we did. Is ASPI also the Pltr play? Speculative. Who knows? Speculative. With every rip comes the dip. So if you're swing trading this, if you're day trading this, you buy and sell off the news. You sell on the news. If you're an investor, wait till the pullback. Wait till the pullback. So, join the Discord. Like the video. Subscribe. Thank you so much.